Okay, so I'm going to be doing I'm going to be trying to explain a little bit of Python. I'm a terrible teacher, so if this works, please give me a like, and if it doesn't, I'll delete this video, so you probably won't see it. Okay, well, so open up your thing, and so we're just going to be doing it in here. So the first thing that you have to learn is just how to type things onto the screen. So that would be, close this, print, and then in parentheses, if it's a number, you just type the number and then close the parentheses. If it's a string of like characters or something, you do either that and then whatever inside, or you can do double quotes. Like, it doesn't really, print, whatever. And if you have a variable, like, you can assign variables just by doing the name. It can include letters, numbers, so letters, underline, I think this, let me check. AF equals 1, does it work? Nope. Yeah, but underline AF equals 1 does work. So, and then you can do F, you get 1. But, so do numbers, but you can't do the number first. You can do like AS1, 2, underline SAS equals, 7 or 2, whatever. So let's just say A equals 1. You can also assign, strings, or other variables equals, A underline F, and then print A. And if it's not a variable, you'll get an error. And Q, say error. So that's a function. You've got a lot of them, like input, and then you can have a prompt or whatever, and then you get whatever. So you can assign this by doing def, and then the name, same as variable. Let's just do ASDFG, which is just the first up to G on the keyboard. So, and then any parameters. So these are basically variables. So like, as you can see, the print has the parameter. So inside of the parentheses, you have the parameter. So let's just have A as a parameter. And then you have to do the colon. Okay, and then you have this, and you can do, maybe you are gonna print A. And so now you have this. So if you type in ASDFG, and then you can, and now you have this. So let's say now A is going to be equal 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, I mean. And you'll get that. And it's basically a print function. ASDFG. I think you can do variables. Yep. ASDFG. And you can also do strings. And it does all that. So there's a lot of these functions that are built in. Like input was one where it takes an input, and there's a bunch more. But I'm basically only going over the basics. Then you also have loops, like while loops. Well, you can have while true. Or, while true. This is gonna be annoying. Oh, so probably gonna have to break this into a part 2, but I can finish this, and you can also do like, well, A equals 1, and you have, so equals is assigning, equals is like figuring out, like, is equivalence. So I'm gonna actually stop it here, and I will do another one, but bye.